Welcome to Raynie Days Cooking Show. Today we're gonna make pizza. Go to the middle, go to the side. Go to the middle, go to the side. Go.
All right, spread that around with a spoon.
This is funny.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Oh, that looks good. Yummy. All right, spread that around a little bit.
Welcome to Raynie Days.
So how do you make pizza?
Well, first you turn on the oven. Make sure there's a parent to help you with this.
Alright, you're going to want to turn this dial. $3.50.
And then you get out the dough.
I like dough too. Oh, we didn't wash our hands. Let's wash our hands first.
Oh, that's better. We almost tested the dough out. Washing our hands. When you get out the dough, you roll it.
Shake it.
Instead of
Good job. Great job. Are you gonna roll it out? We might need to get some flour for the
yeah, we need flour.
rolling pin.
Go to the middle, go to the side. And then we gotta squish the dough. This is fun.
You gotta squish it out. It's gotta be bigger.
I love squishing out the dough.
Squish, squish,
This
squish.
is my fun. This is the fun. This is the fun part.
The fun part?
Mm-hmm.
Did you know in real pizza shops, they throw it in the air to stretch it out? Have you ever seen that, baby girl?
Yeah.
Where they stretch it, they throw it. They throw it like a frisbee in the air.
And then when you get out the dough, you put it in the tray. And then when you get out the dough, you put it in the oven.
Let me see it. It's a little big.
You just gotta fold it.
Alrighty. Raynie, let's put these in the oven, okay?
Okay.
You hold this. Good job. You got it? All right, you stay there. I'll grab this one right here, okay? There we go. Put it in here. Like that. You want to do this one? Want to hold it with me? Like that? Okay. All right, they're in there. Here we go. There you go. There's that one. Ooh. Here's the other one. Don't touch it though. It's hot, okay? Right there. We're gonna let that cool down, okay?
And then when you get out the dough, you put on the frostings and
All the frostings? What are all the frostings?
mushroom, garlic, and cheese, and mushrooms, and
Do you do any sauce?
and sauce.
We're gonna use this sauce first.
Okay, I'm gonna scoop.
All right, spread that around with a spoon.
This is funny.
Just try to not get it on this part, okay? You want, no, I'm saying not get it on that part. You want to keep it in the middle. It's not the end of the world either way. And you want to get it in all the little nooks and crannies. Let's get that.
What we're gonna do with this part?
I have a good plan for that. We're gonna put butter on it and Parmesan cheese.
I will put the cheese.
You want to do the cheese first?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do the cheese first.
No, I want to do the stuff first.
Oh, the toppings? Oops, I'm getting butter
The
everywhere.
toppings first, and then we're gonna put the cheese on top.
Okay, got it. So you're gonna put it on the edges or the whole pizza?
The whole pizza.
Whole pizza, you gotta tip it a little more. Wow, that's gonna be a really tasty flavor, or tasty spot. Just try to get some on the crust. Oops. Trying to not go crazy with it. There. You wanna do a little more? There we go. Good.
There we go.
So what's your favorite part of making pizza?
Putting on the frostings.
They taste different when they're not cooked. Daddy, can we have your cut up baby mushroom bits?
Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Lot.
Oh, cutting.
This is gonna be tough. This is gonna be fast.
All right, now we're gonna put the peppers on.
Hey, Daddy, I want tomatoes now.
Watch your apron, you're gonna get, oh no, now you look like a real chef. Because your apron is dirty.
Pizza, 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 pizza.
Tomatoes, tomatoes.
Some peppers.
For me?
Mm-hmm. We're putting the tomatoes on.
Whoa. Thank you, Daddy.
Gonna need more
Sprinkle,
tomatoes.
sprinkle,
Yep, working on it.
sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Awesome.
I'm the one I chef hat anymore.
You don't want your chef hat anymore?
Yeah.
That's fine. Maybe Mommy can wear it. Oh, nope. Maybe Bodhi can wear it.
He's a chef.
What do you think? Do we like Bodhi's chef hat? I think he looks like a pilgrim woman.
Wait.
Really? Yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
We're going to use a little bit of both cheeses. Which cheese do you want first?
That one.
This one?
No. I want it not bottom. That one.
You want this one? Oh, you want that one not on the bottom, so you want to do this one first? That makes sense. You're very smart that you know about the bottom and stuff. All right, grab some out.
Grab some out.
Spread it around. Ooh, that looks good. Yummy. All right, spread that around a little bit. I'm gonna do mine the other way. I'm gonna do this one first. Fancy, fancy, fancy. I mean, we might as well go crazy with the cheese, right? We went crazy with the toppings. Bodhi, what do you think about these pizzas? Are you excited?
And I want to play with dough.
Well, let's let Bodhi see the dough real quick. I'll come back and let him squish the dough. Yummy, 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 yummy. Look at these pizzas.
Can I look at mine?
What do you think about that pizza dough, buddy? Is it nice and squishy? Oh, Daddy's coming with the pepperocinis. Pizza dough.
Can you open that for me? Can you open up the thing for me like you did last time?
It's gonna be a little warm, so you gotta be careful.
Pull down. Pull. It's...
Here, I'll help you.
There we go. Feel that warm?
Pizza.
Get that one.
You like the warmness? Just don't touch it.
This is so fun. I love warm. I love warm.
There we go.
I love warm too. Awesome. And now we set the timer. Bubbly
I love
goodness.
yours. I think it needs to be a little bit longer. Raynie, guess what time it is?
What?
It's time to pull the pizza out of the oven. Are you excited? All right, let's go get it.
I got my special oven mitts. Here we go.
Raynie, come on.
Come here, baby girl.
Can you pull down the oven? Pull down the oven for me.
Help me. Pull on it.
Oh my goodness, they look amazing.
I'm gonna do one at a time. No, don't touch it. That's why Mommy has the special gloves. All right, Raynie, come here. La la. They look amazing. This is like a deep dish pizza.
Deep dish pizza. Wait, can I pop all the bubbles?
Pop all the bubbles.
Yeah. How you do it? Can I smell it?
You want to smell it?
Yeah.
Can't you already smell it?
No.
I think your smeller's broken. That looks delicious. Maybe I'll just bite it.
It's a little hot.
Just take a little nibble up front. It's mostly cheese.
Huh?
A little warm still. Here, I got an idea. We're gonna open it up
Why?
and let the heat out.
Oh. Oh, that's cool.
Yep, now we close that part up a little bit. Open this side. Because the cheese is like a blanket.
Yeah, it's like a blanket.
And it keeps all the heat in. That part won't be hot.
It's not hot anymore. You can take a bite. Take a big bite.
Oh, that.
Big bite. Yummy. And pull it off with your hand.
Hi everyone, we just made the pizza.
Mm-hmm.
That's good pizza.